Let's start where we had left. So, from Nusa Penida, let's take you to Ubud, a very, very calm and serene place in Bali. Manish and I, both of us are bird lovers, so we thought of going and checking out this place that we heard of on our journey from Nusa Dua to Ubud. And guys, I tell you, I was so happy because you see all the exotic birds and they were free, just roaming here and there. The macaws, the cockatoos, everything. I mean, like the pelicans and so many different, the hornbills, they were all roaming freely. And then you could even touch them, and there were different bird shows that you could see. It was an absolutely different experience. The harlequin, the hyacinth macaws, it was so beautiful and vibrant to see them in the open and uncaged. And then this naughty guy, oh my god, you should watch that cockatoo playing around and mocking Manish while we were taking this video. I mean, look at it, look at it. We just couldn't have enough of this guy, and so here's another clip of him playing around and looking at you, teasing you. Manish and I were laughing our guts out seeing him doing all those crazy stuffs. I mean, look at him nodding his head.
Upside down, baby.
We also got a chance to see the flamingos get ready to dance to the beat of some, imaginary orchestra that they thought they could hear. We posed with our favorite birds and then we made our way through the winding hilly roads to the Kintamani village. This was a very, very cozy and calm village in the foothill of Mount Batur. So this Mount Batur is a dormant volcano. We had a sumptuous lunch here and also made new friends. Finally, we reached Ubud, and the place that we first explored was the Tegallalang rice terrace. बोलते हैं ना that you don't just need a good place to have a good trip, you also need good company. And trust me, I had the funniest people in this amazing location to have fun with. सुनना चाहते हो? So just put your earphones on and just check it out.
एंगल क्या इसको सीधा ही नहीं हो रहा है बेंचो ये ले मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से ऑफ कर रहा हूं मैं इसको
Dude, I spent $200 to pose on that nest, so you better like it. और इस पिक्चर की पीछे की सच्चाई, let me share it with you. भाई देखने में बहुत कूल लगता है Instagram and everywhere that Bali Swing and all that, but oh my god, I cannot tell you how scared I was. The moment they leave the swing and it goes all the way back,
अभी मजा आएगा.
Excuse me, did I just hear someone say बहुत मजा आएगा? अभी मजा आएगा? Oh my god, seriously?
So they swing for two sides. One side facing to the.
Finally, we reached Ubud and made our way to the very relaxing resort, which was the Omham Retreat and Spa. After all the madness and fun, we so needed a place where we could just relax and chill and just let go of all the worries, and this place, my friend, was the perfect place. The property we stayed at had a huge sprawling pool in the middle of the rice field, and Pooja and I spent the rest of the evening just chilling by it and just having a good time, lazing around. All four of us got a complimentary foot massage from the resort people itself, and we couldn't have asked for a better way to end such a hectic day. Ubud is a place that is going to remind you that even the simplest of things can be so beautiful. I mean, look at it. There are no huge mountains, nor are there any huge ocean that you see over there. Just acres of rice fields, and yet this is so serene and so beautiful. Ubud is traditional yet very modern. Look at the market and the buildings out there. Now every holiday package in the internet has this picture. This is the infamous Ulundanu temple. So this is a temple in the Beratan Lake. There are hundreds of temples in Bali, but we chose to see only this because of obvious reasons. इंस्टा में ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर्स के पीछे की सच्चाई नंबर 2. So get ready guys, put your headphones on.
My legs already hurt.
Waterfall, bikini. मैं तो उसको बोला if you guys can't go, we'll drag and take ना मनीष.
हाँ और क्या?
हम लोग बोला हम लोग को जगह से किंता मंदिर का जैसे कहाँ है रे? आवाज तो नहीं आ रहा पानी का. उठते हुए हम लोग का फटेगा.
छोड़ूंगी क्या सोनी मैं?
क्या बोलने चाह रहे हो? नहीं जाना है? क्या करूँ तू? We have to somehow. चल रे.
Leave me and go like this.
चल.
Keep your hand. Ankle पकड़ के चल.
After an insane hike, we finally found our hidden treasure, the hidden waterfall. Finally. This was actually a true raw beauty. Far away from the crowds. Nobody was there apart from us four. It was such an amazing place. You know what? The hike might not have been that easy, but the experience was not bad at all. The next day we explored the Ubud Palace and the Ubud Market and did some shopping of souvenirs for our loved ones. And from there we headed to Tannah Lot and witnessed the beautiful sunset and made our way back to our resort. Bali is so vast that one trip can never be enough, also with the right set of people. This, my friend, is just the first of the many voyages that we are about to go on.